Once the installation is done, it will automatically open your default browser with this URL localhost with the port number 8834. So Nessus will be using this port, and you will be getting error like this since Nessus admin console is using HTTPS protocol. Since you don't have SSL certificate for this, you will be getting this error message like this. So you can proceed like this. Go to advanced and proceed localhost like this. So you will be getting to this page. Since we are using our free version, it is Nessus Essential. Select this, and you will be getting an activation code for the account that you are going to create. So we have already created that account. We don't need to do the activation code part here. We can skip it, and you can use the activation code that you received for your email address here. I got the activation code from the mail that the Nessus team has sent to me, and then I'm going to create a username and the password. This account creating part, you can be doing this from the Nessus login here. If you don't have an account for Nessus, you can create an account here. Once the account creation is done, Nessus will be installing like this. It will take about 40 to 45 minutes since there are a lot of plugins to be installed. So we will continue this video once the installation is done.